it's Annette from needlepointers.com. Trick-or-treat season is just around the corner, so it's time to get ready for all the superheroes, princesses, monsters, and ghosts that stop by your house by making simple, super quick treat bags. Keep watching this video to learn how to make some. What you need to make Halloween candy bags are Halloween fabric, scissor, pinking shears, rotary cutter, ruler, and mat is optional, ribbon, candy, sewing machine, and thread. Use a scissor or a rotary cutter, ruler, and mat. Cut a rectangle of Halloween fabric that measures 5 inches by 13 inches. Cut a piece of ribbon 20 inches long. Fold the ribbon in half. Place the folded end on the pretty side of the Halloween fabric. On one of the long sides, 1.5 inches down from the short side. The ribbon should be extended slightly past the side, as you can see here, and pin it on the back. To prevent the ribbon from getting caught while sewing, fold the ribbon into a loop and pin it in several places to hold it in place. Fold the fabric in half so that the right sides, the pretty sides, are together and the fold is at the bottom. It will now measure 5 inches by 6.5 inches. Go to the sewing machine and you're going to be sewing the 2 sides of the treat bag using a 3/8 inch seam allowance. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and the end. When you get to the pin, remove it and continue stitching. Then stitch the other side. With a pinking shear, trim the sides and across the top. If you don't have a pinking shear, you can leave the edges raw. Flip the bag right side out. And push out the corners. And your goodie bag is finished. Fill it with candy. And use the ribbon to tie a bow. After the candy is eaten, the kids can repurpose the bag to store some treasures. These Halloween treat bags are great for trick-or-treating or party favors. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, just click the link in the video or in the description section. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free Halloween projects.